Here's more shop work today. Poured the rain again last night, as usual. Got to cut the middle out of this rim, the little tractor rim, for some folks. I put this new rim on it, but when you buy the rims, the new ones nowadays, they come, you got to bolt them. They all bolt together, but unfortunately, this is off of an older model tractor, a little small Massey, and you got to cut it apart and line it all up, weld it back together. Got it cut out. Right there's why that valve stem leaked. Rotted the rim out. Got her cut out. Fixing to put her back together. I've done several of these. The best thing I can always figure it, you can lay you a 2x6 on the floor. As long as you got your rim turned the right way and your center turned the right way, it gives you the right amount of back spacing. That way, just like that. And then to space these corners just right, you can take a 70-18 welding rod and knock the flux off of it, where you just have the wire, like the rod itself, drive it down in here to space the center. Get the center spacing the same all the way around. MIG weld it up, paint the welds, send it back to the customer. Well, there we go. All done. All four of them welded up. You can see that there. I don't know if it's going to let you see it or not. Burn through all the way. I saw a sticker on this somewhere. Right there. $126.99 for that rim. There it is. I'll let it cool off. Paint them 4 places on it. And this will be done. See y'all.